Global South. The less developed nation of the world, primarily found in Southern Hemisphere, referred to as the Global South. It is political and socio-economic label rather than geographical one, and it is frequently used in comparison to the Global North, which stands for more development and affluent countries. Post-colonial critics of global power structures gave the rise to the idea, which emphasized the past and current injustice brought about global capitalism, colonialism, and neocolonialism. These discrepancies can take many different forms, such as unequal access to opportunities and resources, political reliance, and economic inequities. Analyzing the Global South intricate connection with the Global North, including power dynamics, commercial relations, and function of the international institution, is essential to understanding it. Definition: the Global South is a geopolitical term referring to the less developed countries of the world, primarily located in the Southern Hemisphere. It is socio-economic and political designation, not strictly geographical. Challenges: countries in Global South face a complex web of interconnected challenges. Poverty remains widespread, exacerbated by factors like lack of access to education, healthcare, and infrastructure. Climate change disproportionately affect these regions, leading to increased vulnerability to extreme weather events and environmental degradation. Assessment: international organizations like the UN and World Bank play a crucial, albeit complex, role in addressing issues faced by the Global South. They provide financial assistance, technical expertise, and platforms for international cooperation. It's important to note that defining success in this context is complex and multifaceted. What constitutes success may be varied depending on the specific goals, challenges, and context of each initiative. Furthermore, even successful initiatives often face ongoing challenges and require continuous adaptation and improvement. Thank you.